think the college were very interested in having a place where the community of the college can come together and see each other reading and learning in common with other people. When we received the brief, first of all, I thought about it from the point of view of a reader. It's a simple thing of you go and take a book from a shelf. Where do you want to sit and what sort of relationship do you want to have with the things and people around you? The space we're in has got sort of grand, large tables that people can sit with other people. But away in the corners, there are these little spaces where you could sit and feel like you're alone in the world and maybe just have a little peep of a view out over the river. And there are some places where you can sit perched up and feel that you're like a bird on a branch looking down at other people. And not just reading alone, but this library is for groups of people to come and learn together. And so there are little rooms where people can close themselves off and have conversations. It's these kind of things that we thought were most important.
A key part of the brief was that the building would be sustainable, so we did that in 3 different ways. One way was the choice of materials, so we've used brick and timber for the structure. Secondly, the building fabric is high performing and the library is naturally ventilated. And then thirdly, we wanted to build to last, so some of the adjacent buildings are very good examples of buildings that have been in use for hundreds of years. And we want the same for this building.
One of the challenging aspects of the brief was that the architects were asked to combine 3 functions in one building. So we have a working undergraduate library here, but we also have an art gallery and we have an archive store. The idea was very much to build a library with capacity, with room for expansion.
So I think humans instinctively move towards daylight. And so we saw the journey through the building as being a rising up towards the light. And you'll see that the books are overlooked by these illuminated roof forms.
What you see is that over the course of the day, the roof slats and the shadows cast across the building create patterns that interest the eye. I find that quite soothing, and I think it's one of the reasons why people like to work here. I think people feel like they're part of a community here, and in a building which is just covered really with attention and care, and it makes people feel cared for and attended to.